Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this session we will continue our discussion on Tsgenco A 2015 Electrical Solutions Part 07. The question here is reheating in a gas turbine. So reheating means, as you can see here, we are using a reheater here, as we discussed in my previous class, that reheater is used to whatever the steam here, the done the work, again the steam again is reheated here. Okay, so it is given again to the turbine 2 here. So it will increase the turbine. Why? Because actually the turbine coming here is done used for doing some work here. Okay, so that the steam is going to be having some less amount of heat. Again what we will do is we will reheat again and utilization here, so that the second turbine has to increase its work. Why? Because it is getting some low amount of heat when compared to turbine 1. Okay, so turbine 2 has to do more work, so increases the turbine work is the answer for this question. The next question here is, in a steam turbine terminology, the diaphragm refers to. So as you can see in the figure here, the diaphragm refers to the gap or separating valves between the rotor carrying nozzles. So these are the rotors carrying nozzle. In between we have some gap here, so this is a gap, and here we have gap. So this gap is nothing but it's a diaphragm. As you can see here also you can see here, these are the nozzles which are rotating here. In between we have diaphragm here. So the answer is the separating valves between the rotor carrying nozzles. The next question on the screen is, in hydroelectric power plants the operating cost is low. Why? Because the fuel that are used here is nothing but water. So water as fuel. So the operating cost, or I can also call as running cost. So running cost is low and initial cost is very high. As you can see here, the dam is consisting of these gates and construction of this dam here. So it cost is high. So that the operating cost is low and initial cost is very high in case of hydroelectric power plants. Next, another question from the same hydroelectric power plant. The function of surge tank is to. So as you can see here we are having located a surge tank here. So what it will do is it will try to reduce the pressure on the penstock. That means it will try to reduce the water hammer effect. So generally the penstock is made up of concrete. When the excess water flows through this pipe, so it will make some pressure on the concrete walls so that it may get breakdown. So in order to control the pressure on the pipe called penstock, we are using the surge tank here as a protecting devices for the penstock. So to relieve water hammer pressure in the penstock is a right answer. The next question is, the Rankine cycle efficiency of steam power plant is. So steam power plant is nothing but it's a thermal power plant. Thermal power plant, normally its efficiency in between 30 to 45%. Why? Because we are having boiler and turbine, so which will loses its steam. Okay, and also important question here is, the thermal power plant or steam power plant based on the working principle of Rankine cycle here. So this is also important question for Tsgenco. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.